Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Constant Contact for newsletters step by step clearly. To begin configuring Constant Contact for newsletters, first, create your account on the Constant Contact website. Once your account is set up, log in to the Constant Contact dashboard. Navigate to the email section located in the main menu. Click on the Create button to start a new email campaign. Select the newsletter option from the list of email types. Choose a template that fits your branding and style preferences. Customize the template by adding your logo and adjusting the color scheme. Incorporate eye-catching images and graphics that resonate with your audience. Next, add engaging content to your newsletter, including text and links. Ensure that your writing is clear and concise for better readability. Utilize headers and bullet points to organize information effectively. Once your content is in place, review the layout to ensure it looks professional. After finalizing your content, click on the Next button to proceed to the audience selection. Select the contact list you want to send the newsletter to. If necessary, create a new list by importing contacts or manually adding them. Move on to the subject line section and enter a compelling subject that will grab attention. Check the preview to see how the email will appear in inboxes. Test the email by sending a preview to yourself or a colleague. Once you're satisfied with the email, return to the main dashboard. Schedule your email for a specific date and time or send it immediately. Confirm all details are correct before hitting the Send button. After sending, monitor the performance metrics to evaluate engagement. This will help you refine future newsletters for better results. Congratulations on successfully configuring Constant Contact for your newsletters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.